Hello, Grade 6 learners. Welcome back to another exciting TLE lesson. Have you ever answered a survey online? Or maybe your teacher asked you to answer a quiz using Google Forms. Perhaps you've seen registration forms for school events or online contests. But have you ever wondered, how are these forms created? Well, in today's lesson, we are going to discover the amazing world of online form builders. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify different online form builder applications, determine which form builder is appropriate to use, learn the steps in creating forms, explain why online forms are useful in school and everyday life. So get ready, because we're about to become young digital creators. Let's begin. Before we start, let's have a quick review. Answer true or false. Question 1. It is always okay to leave your microphone on during a web conference. False. Keeping your microphone muted helps avoid unnecessary noise. Question 2. Using a virtual background can help hide a messy room. True. Question 3. You should always share your entire screen during presentations. False. We should only share the window or content needed to protect privacy. Excellent. Now let's move on to today's lesson. Imagine this. Your teacher needs to collect information from all grade 6 learners. Should the teacher print hundreds of papers? That would take a lot of time and paper. Instead, the teacher can create a digital form that everyone can answer using a computer, tablet, or smartphone. These digital forms are made using an online form builder. An online form builder is a software tool that allows users to create and publish digital forms without needing coding knowledge. In simple words, it helps us create forms easily and collect information electronically. Online forms make our work easier and faster. Here are some of their benefits. 1. Increased efficiency. No need to print many papers. Everything is done online. 2. Improved accuracy. Typed answers are easier to read than handwritten answers. This reduces mistakes. 3. Accessibility. People can answer forms anywhere using the internet. They can use a cell phone, tablet, laptop, or computer. 4. Easy data analysis. Responses are automatically collected and organized. Teachers and users can easily study the results. Let's learn some important terms. Mobile apps. These are applications designed for smartphones and tablets. Examples: Messenger, TikTok, Google Forms. Templates. Templates are ready-made designs that save time. Think of them as form patterns that you can customize. Widgets. Widgets are the parts inside the form. Examples: text boxes, check boxes, multiple choice questions, drop-down menus. Data analysis. This means examining and studying collected information to discover useful results. There are many online form builder applications available today. Let's get to know some of them. 1. Google Forms. Google Forms is free and easy to use. Teachers commonly use it for quizzes, surveys, registration forms, polls. Example: suppose your class wants to know everyone's favorite school subject. You can create a Google form and collect answers quickly. Two, Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms is part of Microsoft 365. It is commonly used for assessments, event feedback, employee surveys, customer evaluations. It also works well with Excel and Microsoft Teams. 3. Jotform. Jotform offers many templates and customization options. It is useful for registration forms, application forms, order forms, surveys. 4. Typeform. Typeform presents questions one at a time, making forms more interactive. People often use it for customer feedback, market research, interactive quizzes. What makes these applications special? Let's find out. Drag and drop interface. Users can simply drag and arrange question boxes. No coding required. Templates. Ready-made designs help users create forms faster. Customization. Users can change colors, fonts, themes, logos to personalize their forms. Let's pretend our grade 6 class is planning a field trip. Instead of using paper, we can create a digital permission slip. Step 1. Open Google Forms. Go to docs.google.com/forms. Sign in using your Google account. Step 2. Create a blank form. Click the plus blank form button. Think of this as opening a new sheet of paper. Step 3. Give your form a title. Example: Grade 6 Field Trip Permission Slip. Step 4. Add questions. Examples: date of field trip, destination, grade level, parent or guardian's name, contact number. And just like that, you've created your own online form. No matter which application you use, the process is almost the same. Step 1. Sign up or log in. Step 2. Choose a template or start from scratch. Step 3. Add questions. Step 4. Customize the appearance. Step 5. Preview the form. Step 6. Share the form. Step 7. Collect responses. Step 8. Analyze the data. Simple, right? Online forms are used everywhere. In schools, quizzes, attendance, surveys, feedback forms. In businesses, job applications, customer surveys, order forms. In non-profit organizations, volunteer registrations, event sign-ups, donation requests. Remember, technology should always be used responsibly. Here are some reminders. Protect personal information. Use appropriate language. Respect privacy. Share forms only with the right people. Use online tools responsibly. Being a good digital citizen means using technology safely and respectfully. Suppose your teacher asks you to gather classmates' opinions about your science project. What type of tool can you use? That's right, an online form builder. And which application would be the easiest to use? Exactly, Google Forms. Today, we learned that online form builders help us create digital forms. They make collecting information faster and easier. Examples include Google Forms, Microsoft Forms, Jotform, Typeform. They provide many benefits such as efficiency, accessibility, and data analysis. Online forms are useful in schools, businesses, and organizations. Technology should always be used safely and responsibly. Excellent work, Grade 6 learners. Now you know that creating forms doesn't require advanced computer skills. With online form builders, anyone can create quizzes, surveys, registration forms, and many more. Remember, technology becomes powerful when used wisely and responsibly. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Grade 6 lessons. See you in our next video. Bye everyone, and keep learning. Now that we have learned about online form builders and their importance, it's time to apply what you've learned. Get ready to answer the activity sheets and show your understanding by completing the tasks carefully and creatively.